quarter piece. Alright. We've got one more bathroom ceiling to take down. We got to prepare everything as well, so still a lot of preparing work. So join us step by step. I'm going to try and let you know the process of how you get it done. We're going to be doing it right to the end. So thanks for watching this one, because we'll be taking all the screws out, prepping everything, putting insulation back up. I must look like shit. Dusty. And the sheets will go straight back up. It's going to be good. 3.6 meter sheets. Bang, 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 bang. Stacked all the way through. When we get to here, I'm going to cut this straight and work something out here. We don't need to do in there. That's fine. We don't need to come past here either.
Okay guys, if you saw on my last video, I drove to Hilti to get a new end for my screw gun here because it's been playing up. Someone had just come in and bought the last one, and unfortunately it's still not working very well at all. But if I take it slow, I should be able to get this job done.
My gun's broken.
Alright, we're ready for another measurement. Do you see the butt joint? It's not looking very neat. That's because I made a mistake. When I cut the sheet and began to screw it up, I should have put the original factory butt joints together, but I accidentally put the cut side the wrong way. So you really want those factory edges to come together for the best butt joint possible. I didn't realize it at the time. You also want to peel away any old paper from the joint before you begin. What we do, if the insulation keeps falling down, we get a bit of fishing line or a bit of twine, get our staple gun, and we just cut this. That just stops it from falling on our heads. Which is most inconvenient and annoying. That's how you do that. Oh. I've got to cut out this bathroom ceiling. Water damage right here. Bit of water damage on this cornice. So my plan is I'm going to cut this cornice off here and measure. The sheets are 1200 millimeters wide, 1.2 meters. So I'm going to measure 1.2 here, cut it all out, put a new sheet out, and that's it. Set it all, new bit of cornice. Let's go. there's two reasons why I put a joint in this, because it would have been hard to get the sheet in here, one full 1700 sheet, because we've got the shower screen in here now, and I've got 3 full sheets left, and these were 2 offcuts, these 2 pieces here. So I thought I'd save the long sheet for my next job. And that makes sense, right? Makes sense for me. If it makes dollars, it makes sense.